In a 25 kVA 2000 oblique 200 volt transformer, the iron and full load copper losses are 200 watt and 400 watt respectively. Calculate maximum efficiency. B part, load at maximum efficiency. C part, load current at maximum efficiency. Load power factor is 0.8 lagging. Load power factor is given 0.8 lagging. So first we will note the various given values, and the given values are rated kVA rating is 25 kVA, then S is equal to V1 I1 is equal to V2 I2 is equal to 25 kVA is equal to 25 into 10 is to the power 3 volt ampere. Iron and full load copper losses are 200 watt and 400 watt respectively. Means the value of iron loss is 200 watt and value of full load copper loss is 400 watt. Load power factor is 0.8 lagging. These values are given, and now we have to calculate maximum efficiency, load at maximum efficiency, and load current at maximum efficiency. We know the condition for maximum efficiency is copper loss should be equal to iron loss. Copper loss should be equal to iron loss. Under this condition, the efficiency of transformer will be maximum. Below this load, efficiency will be lower, and above this load, again efficiency will be low. And for this particular value of load, efficiency of transformer will be maximum. So then load at maximum efficiency. Load at maximum efficiency. And this will be equal to rated kVA into square root of iron loss and full load copper loss. Substituting these values, rated kVA is 25,000. Iron loss 200, full load copper loss 400, and this is equal to for this value of load, efficiency of transformer will be maximum. So answer of this B part is this. Now we will calculate the maximum efficiency. corresponding to maximum efficiency load is this, and power factor is 0.8 lab. So maximum efficiency will be iron loss, and value of iron loss is 200 watt. And under the condition of maximum efficiency, copper loss will be equal to iron loss. So copper loss is also 200 watt, and this gives the value of maximum efficiency. So the value of maximum efficiency is 97.25%. This is the answer of A part. And the load corresponding to maximum efficiency is voltmeter. Now, load current at maximum efficiency. Load at maximum efficiency is this, and secondary side voltage is 200 volt. So load current maximum efficiency. So load current at maximum efficiency is 88.39 ampere. Thank you.